we have these exclusive features about our project. So we have 3 items here. Number 1 is the 100% backup power, ma'am. So can you please elaborate with the 100% backup power?
Okay. So for other developments kasi, parang whenever there's a power outage, na parang particular area lang yung merong power. So for our project, or for with Rockwell, 100% backup power. So in less than 10 seconds, magbabalik lahat ng power. So you can use everything as normal. Ganun.
Siyempre naman, katabing-katabi yung Angeles Electric Power, di ba? So, dapat lang talagang hindi mawala ng power. Lalo na ngayon, actually perfect to if you're really working from home, di ba?
Correct.
So, hindi ka mawawalan talaga ng kuryente dito.
Ang ganda noon, 100% backup power. So, take note, diba, our dear investors, that it is not just an ordinary parang backup power. You can use it as usual, like everything. Hindi lang, yung iba kasi we have the lights only, diba? Pero in here, everything is
We'll go back
as usual. And then,
we
next.
also have 24/7 security dito sa Rockwell. And I believe it's really powered by CCTV cameras all across the site development, right? So, yun, we have also the roving guard and mga security guards. Syempre, meron mga malls and what more sa unit itself, right? Sa tower. And then,
and the last exclusive feature here in Rockwell, they have the dedicated residential leasing team. So, Miss Carla, can you please tell us about this property management?
Our dedicated leasing team can handle your unit for you. For example, you're an unit owner and then you want your unit to be leased out. So we have this team, they can market your unit for you. And then, if ever then you want it to be sold, we can market as well. So from end to end. So not just selling kasi. For others, parang nabentahan mo na, that's it. But for us, parang if you want this to be as an investment, you want to lease it out, we can help you. If you want it to be sold, we can also help you. So end-to-end siya.
it's lease, not rent. Normally, we use the term lease for long term and for rent for short term. For this, our towers kasi, we have a minimum of 6 months. 6 months to 1 year or more. Because ano ba yung reason behind doon? Bakit Rockwell is not allowing like on a short term like Airbnbs?
Because we want to keep the security and the exclusivity of the area. So we want our unit owners and our lessees to enjoy everything, the amenities, the exclusivity, that's what I've said. So para we want to limit yung in and out ng tao.
Correct.
Kasi if for Airbnb, daily iba-iba yung tao papasok. So we want to keep yung exclusivity.
Super premium and exclusive dito sa Rockwell.